Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Comcast Xfinity account. Now follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. Now firstly open up any web browser on your PC and there search for xfinity.com and press enter on a keyboard. And once you search for it, you will directly land it to its official homepage. Now from here, tap on this person icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now from there, tap on the sign in button and then it will directly take you to its login page. Now there you have to type in your email address, mobile number or username which you have used to create your Xfinity account. If in case you have forgotten your Xfinity ID, you can recover it by tapping on Find Your Xfinity account. And if in case you are new to this Xfinity and haven't created your account yet, you can create a new Xfinity ID by tapping on Create a New Xfinity ID link. Now once you're done with typing in your email address, phone number or your username, tap on Let's Go button. And once you tap on Let's Go button, you will take into the next page where you will ask to enter your account password. Enter your account password correctly and then you will be able to get logged into your Comcast Xfinity account. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to get logged into your Comcast Xfinity account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.